We are about to depart. For your safety, please stand clear of the doors and hold handrails firmly at all times. Next stop is the main terminal station. This will be the final stop. Smoking is not permitted within the train system.
How dare you? How dare you? Yeah, I don't want to be on a freighter. They can just top off the rails. So, how dare you?
Please remember to hold handrails firmly at all times.
Oh, there goes a 250. No, not 250 decorated. Oh God, I don't know. I prefer Metro North. I prefer Metro North way better. Oh yeah, it does. Oh. What is this? 50 miles an hour? We're like 50 miles an hour. What is fast like an Amtrak train?
Please remember to hold handrails firmly at all times.
Oh, look at that. More trains down there. Oh, look at
We
that.
are approaching the main terminal
Oh, I see a
station.
Boeing
The doors will be
77.
opening. This is the final stop.
Sure. This is a Coney Island Q local train. The next stop is Avenue H. Look at that crossover. Subway Surfers. You know, I rode this train about the times it's mid, but I prefer Metro North way better. Whoa.
Alright guys, this is behind the damn train, so let's go.
Yes, let's go. This is part 2.
Oh, I forgot to tell you, this is actually rolling coaster.
Yeah, it does. It does like the roller coaster. Just like how fast we're going.
And your journey always leads you back to the Tampa Bay region.
Oh, I didn't notice the other train. Right. Stop the train. Oh yeah, I could run that man. That's so, yeah. I'm gonna guess this is a Airbus A321. I think I might be mistaken. All aviation geeks out there, tell me which aircraft this is. There it goes.
Last and final call for passengers que puedan realizarse de trascendentes. Último llamado para pasajeros de vuelo abierto.
Over here we got a different airline I never heard of before. This is Boeing 737 MAX 8, Copa Airlines. Pretty interesting. Oh, it's taxiing. Oh, there it goes. I think I came here in the perfect time. It's taxiing. Alright, so that's what they use. Okay, I figured I already knew what they use. The engines are moving on it. Alright. It's turning. Unless I know what this is, because it says it right there. Yeah, so I'm a beginner aviation geek. Yeah, I also enjoy plane spotting here. It's kind of nice. Alright, there goes Copa Airlines. I can't see registration numbers, but I'm gonna say it. Sim's gonna say it. I'll say it. Oh, right there. Yeah, that's the registration number. There you go. I just hurt my hand. What's that? I hurt my hand. I'm putting my phone against the glass. I thought it was like, I don't know, like, I thought it was like United Airlines, because like, that looked like United Airlines, but a little bit different. Switch arms. I would actually move here. Just mostly because of the beaches. I would move here because of the beaches. But finding trains will be a pain, because like I went to Plant City for my birthday, nothing came. The next train came out at like 3 o'clock, and I arrived there at like 11 o'clock. Whoa! Oh, look at that! There's a jet. Oh, it goes on a bridge. Oh, that breeze flight took off. Wow, I never knew there was like a bridge for them. That could be ours. I'm taking a JetBlue flight back to Westchester. Alright, and 652 JB. Alright, there it goes. See you later. Yeah, I'm not gonna wait here for this video to run. Oh, I was right. That's our aircraft. Alright, here it goes. Out with the, I can never see it on time. N6, is it a 5? Yeah, 6. N652 JB. Pretty cool. Alright, now. Alright, I called it. It was gonna be white and blue. And the aircraft number, the aircraft type, I do not know. I'm guessing. Oh, wait. A320. Called it. I can see the aircraft. That's not it. That's N121 and there's our aircraft right there. And we're gonna get in here. Out with the old and with the blue.
It was like Taco, right?
Yeah, this is like Taco.
Yeah. Yeah, so what I noticed on this this aircraft. Okay, first off, this is a A321, big Dash 200. Now this is N121AN. But if you look on the top, you'll notice that there's a circle thing on top.
And sir, backpack on me, stand fine till we get. All right.
Like what is that thing for? Like, what's on top of there? Alright, this came from Phoenix, Arizona, and to here. I've been there. I took an American Airlines flight here. It was pretty cool. Alright, and we are on the way. Goodbye, Airbus A321. I'm not gonna survive this flight. Oh. That's where the train comes from. There's a semi-trailer there, that's cool. There's a bridge that the aircraft's going. I've never survived this level. It's kind of weird.
No, it's time for her nap. That's why. Remember, it's just getting her to sleep. It's gonna be a problem. But I know it's nap time.
Oh, that. Oh, there's a British Airways right there, and whatever that is. I knew Virgin Atlantic was this. I saw the wing, I'm like, oh, it looks like that, and I called it. I see it Frontier over there. Oh, goodbye to Gate F. Can't tell. I don't know what's the tone country. Virgin Atlantic. There's Frontier. I think. I don't know what type of aircraft it is. Can't tell. Oh, look. Delta. We'll be taking that next year, 2027. Yeah, the plane's taxiing. Get out of taxi and then it'll take off. What are they building right there?
Who'd have thought we'd wind up here together? It's crazy that we're standing side by side, fighting just like two birds of a feather. Who's gonna tell us now that we can't fly? Just some roughed up desperados, hanging tough through thick and thin, kicking up dust wherever we go. I can see that you and me are gonna be friends. To the end, you and me are gonna be friends. Yeah. Here we go. Hey, hey, you and me, different as different can be. You like to rock, I like to roll. You take the high and I'll take the low. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Just some roughed up desperados, hanging tough through thick and thin, kicking up dust wherever we go. I can see that you and me are gonna be friends. To the end, you and me are gonna be friends. I can see that you and me are gonna be friends. Yeah.
Okay, we're about to get into the clouds. Alright, here we go. Okay, so takeoff lands? God, it's like, Cuddy, it's not fair. Okay, landing, let's see. Oh, whoa, okay. Oh my God. Is it raining? I think it is raining. Oh, the flaps. Oh, hold on, the clap. Okay, there we go. Oh, look at the flaps.
There we go.
Alright, I think it's raining. Okay, that was not a butter landing, but I'm gonna rate it 6 stars. Like 6 out of 10.
JetBlue welcomes you to Westchester. Local time
Why,
is
thank you.
7:57 p.m. Please remain seated.
Oh,
With your seatbelt securely fastened and carrying items put away until the captain turns off the fasten
What was that,
seatbelt sign.
like 5 minutes
Be
early?
careful when
Right
opening
here at
overhead bins
8:01.
as items tend to move during flight. If you have a receipt that says claim at gate, you may pick up your items outside the front.
It figures. The first thing that happens when I come back into New York is rain. How convenient. Rain, go away. Come again another day. This little boy wants to see some hot sun, not rain. Oh, what are those? Those are like private jets. And I don't know. Something 6. Look at this Delta aircraft. I don't know what this is, because I am not an aviation geek all the way. Oh, here we go. We're about to Millionaire. Oh, I get it. Alright, we're about to approach.
It's Ryanair.
Ryanair. That's
Massachusetts. Oh no.
no, that's Irish, I think.
Yeah, and it's Massachusetts.
Oh, look at that. I think that's where we came from.
Yeah, Maddie. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
God, this rain must be horrid.
Oh yeah. 316.
Oh, I can see the tail from there. Let me. If only I can see the registration number. I don't have enough storage. Hopefully that. Oh, there we go. And 92380. Gotcha. This thing would end if like my storage runs out. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
We did it! Oh my goodness, we did it! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Alright.
Oh my goodness! Oh
Thank
my
you.
goodness.
Thank
Oh my
you.
goodness.
Thank you, JetBlue, for our magnificent flight.
And flight crew members,
Anyways,
please
bye.
arm